I take notes in Markdown for my Zettelkasten. My blog is entirely written in Markdown, and then it's converted to a HTML website by Hugo. When I write documents for work, it's in Markdown, and yeah, it's all Markdown. And the best way to write Markdown and the way to highlight it in Neovim, I think, is using Pandoc. So Pandoc is actually a engine to convert and generate documents, and basically you can convert formats, and it's for creating books and things like that. But I use it mainly for my syntax highlighting. So if I go to my second brain, and if I open up a file, let's see, my home lab K3S file, here you will see that when I have a document here, then here is a Markdown heading. But when you select it, you see that it has this hashtag, this bracket. But when I go down, it has this sort of beautiful little S symbol. I really like that. And it formats the document quite nicely. I like how it does the quotation marks. So if you see when I select the line, then the quotation marks are like this. But when I go below it, the quotation marks are formatted like that. So it brings it to the forefront a little bit more. And if I want to sort of highlight this bit or make that bold, then in Markdown you put asterisk around it, but here it will render it as bold as well. So I thought this was a very nice way of displaying Markdown as I'm editing it, and that's basically how I use Markdown.